Most students memorize that the derivative of the sum equals the sum of the derivatives. So today we're going to prove this formula. The derivative of u plus b with respect to x equals the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of b with respect to x using the definition of the derivative, or also known as the first principle for derivative. And we will see eventually why this formula is true. Prove that the derivative of u plus v with respect to x equals the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of v with respect to x. So this is the so-called the sum rule for differentiation. This formula tells us that the derivative of the sum equals the sum of the derivatives. So let us prove this. So to prove this differentiation formula, first we need to let y be equal to u plus b. So u and v are in terms of x. So u and v are functions of x. Okay? So then applying the change in u and v, so there must be a change in y. So y plus delta y equals u plus delta u, applying the change in u. So let us use parenthesis, plus v plus delta v. Okay? So if there is a change in u and v, there must be also change in y, right? Because y is the dependent variable and u and v are the independent variables, and u and v are in terms of x, right? So we can get the delta y, right? Delta y is equal to u plus delta u plus v plus delta v minus y. So we transpose y to the right side of the equation. Hence, delta y equals u plus delta u plus v plus delta v minus, what is y? Y is u plus v. U plus v. Okay? Next, by definition of derivative, especially the so-called the first principle, okay? The first principle for derivative, the derivative of y with respect to x equals the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So this is the so-called first principle for differentiation. And simplifying this, we will be having the limit of delta y. So delta y is this one. So u plus delta u plus v plus delta v minus u plus v all over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So this is the definition of derivative, the first principle. Okay, let us simplify. So we have the limit of u, so we can combine like terms, right? So u, and there is u here, so minus, right? U minus u plus delta u plus v, so negative times positive, that is negative, so v minus v plus delta v all over the delta x, and delta x approaching to 0. Now let us simplify further the limit of u minus u is 0. So we have delta u plus, so v minus b is 0. So delta v over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Okay? So we can rewrite this limit. So same with limit, the limit of the sum equals the sum of the limits. So we can rewrite this as delta u over delta x, right? They have the same denominator, right? So we can break this fraction. So notice that there are two terms in the numerator, so we can rewrite that as delta u over delta x plus delta v over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So earlier, I mentioned that the limit of the sum equals the sum of the limits. So we have the delta u over delta x as delta x approaches to 0 plus the limit of delta v over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Now, earlier, we have mentioned that the derivative is the limit of delta y over delta x. And that is the derivative of y with respect to x. So hence, this part is the derivative of u with respect to x, right? And this is the derivative of v with respect to x. So we have the dy dx equals the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of v with respect to x. Now, since we know that dy dx equals d yan, yeah. So, and we set yb equal to u plus b, then we have what? Then we have the derivative. So our original statement, the derivative of u plus b equals the derivative of u with respect to x plus the derivative of v with respect to x. Okay? And that ends the proof.